Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hotly Trending. If you're new here, this channel is a go-to spot for crypto opportunities, airdrop and testnet guide. Today, we'll be looking at Teneo Community Node. This video is perfect for those that are just starting out in the exciting world of crypto. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Chrome web store and add the Teneo Community Node to your Chrome browser. So you click on the extension, you click on sign up. So it takes you to the dashboard. Then you click on sign up, you enter your email and the referral code. Then in your email inbox, you confirm your sign up. Just straightforward. And it takes you to the dashboard. Okay. Beautiful. You can see now that we've done that, we're doing the link wallet. So you just click on link wallet, it launches your MetaMask, then you click on connect. So you connect and then you click on confirm. So that is done. Next thing to do is to step 2, engage with Teneo on X. So you click on it, it launches your X, that is Twitter. Then for clicking on connect wallet, you first do the captcha to prove that you are not a robot. So you can also do this on your mobile device by using Kiwi Browser for Android or Kiwi Browser for iOS. So you click on connect wallet, you choose your MetaMask, then you click on connect. After you've clicked on connect, then you also click on sign to verify. That's good. So confirm, connect X. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay. So you click on authorize app. So this just allows, access to your Twitter or X account, so that the dashboard, it can reflect. So you can see it's connected. Now it's telling you that you must follow, there are some tasks that you must perform on Twitter for you to, get the extra points. So you must follow Teneo protocol. So you go and follow them. Then you must like a particular post. So you must retweet also. So you just perform all those tasks, and then once you're done, it takes you back to the dashboard. You can see everything is green. You just like the tweet, retweet the tweet, and you follow them on Twitter. Then you complete the capture to prove you're not a robot. I know sometimes it could be annoying, but then just do it because they just want to prove that we're not bots. And definitely I believe all of you watching this video, you're not bots. So let's just do this. Let's get it done. Okay, so I'm having issues with this capture. I believe this time around, okay, I'm not a robot. Yeah. So now you go back to the dashboard after completing that. So launches your dashboard. You can see you've gained 50,000 points. So you can click on the node. You can see it shows disconnect node. That means your node is connected. If it's not yet connected, instead of that disconnect node button, you can click on connect node, and you see the heartbeat. The heartbeat is every 15 minutes that verifies your node connectivity. So though that is done, but it's still showing that. So next step is for Discord. So you click the link. You can see the same way. You have to verify your wallet. So you just mix like a signature in your wallet, and then you click on confirm. Then connect Discord. So you basically connect your Discord account. If you don't have a Discord account, please sign up for Discord. It is very important, especially if you're airdrop hunting. So just connect, join the server, and connect to your Discord account because it is important. Okay, so now the Discord is connected. Then you can see it says you must join TENEO protocol server. So you just click on that. It takes you to the invite link to join the Discord server. And you can see accept invite. So you just, all you need to do is, okay, you first click on complete. So you have to read the rules of the channel in order of the server. Then you can now click on verify. Then you need to solve the captcha. They're always trying to prove we are not bots, but then who knows? Maybe one day the bots will fight back. Let's go. Oh, missed that one. Okay, let's see. Okay, now verified. So after you verify, you can just go to their GMGN channel. That's good morning, good night, and just type. You can say I've typed good morning. Then you can go to their lobby and just, what's up guys, just basically introduce yourself. So if you refresh this now, it should show. Yeah, that's good. Beautiful. Okay, let's verify that we're not robots. So it's asking us to pick traffic lights. That is done. We submit. Okay. If you go back to the dashboard, so that's just it. Make sure the node is running. Make sure you complete all tasks so that you can see all your rewards. Just it. Connectivity streaks are there 1 day, 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. Just make sure your node keeps running. Most importantly, invite your friends and your loved ones. So just make sure you refer people. So thank you for this. And there you have it. This is everything you need to know about TENEO node running an airdrop guide. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment below your thoughts or questions, and most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.